Imagine starting your own global business for free. That is what Atomy offers you. The opportunity to be an international entrepreneur with no financial investment required. Watch this video till the end and you will see why I joined this business and how you can join too. One of the things that attracted me to Atomy is how simple and accessible the business is. First, it's free to join. There's no expensive franchise fee, and you don't have to purchase large amounts of inventory to get started. Another thing I love is that there are no mandatory monthly auto ship requirements just to stay active in the business. In fact, all that's required to keep your business active is one Atomy purchase per year. Atomy is a global company headquartered in South Korea. Today, Atomy distributors are working in over 50 countries and can build teams and customers across the world. That means you're not limited to building a business in just one city or even one country. Your network can grow internationally. Another major advantage is the product line. Atomy offers over 160 products in the US and approximately 500 products globally. Most of Atomy products are everyday essentials people already buy. Repeated sales of everyday personal items and household products can lead to long-standing passive income. Things like toothpaste, skincare, vitamins, household detergents, and personal care products. So instead of buying these items from big retailers like Walmart, Costco, or Amazon, people can purchase them through Atomy. When customers and team members buy these products regularly, it has the potential to build long-term residual income. Atomy is also experiencing incredible growth. Even though the company is only 16 years old, it has already become one of the top 10 direct selling companies in the world. For comparison, companies like Amway and Herbalife are in the top 3, but these companies are already heavily saturated with distributors because they have been in operation for over 60 and 40 years, respectively. Because Atomy is still a relatively young company and growing rapidly and globally, many people believe this is an exciting time to join Atomy. The potential to move up quicker into the higher income master levels is more likely now during this exponential growth phase than later when Atomy becomes more known and saturated. One feature that really stood out to me is the potential to build generational wealth. According to the company's policies, your Atomy business can be passed down to your children when you pass away, and subsequently passed down again from your children to grandchildren, when your children have also passed. That means the business you build today could benefit your family for generations to come. This is an exciting international business opportunity. And as many of you know, the best time to enter a successful network marketing business is as soon as possible. So don't delay. Contact the person who sent you this video. Whether you're interested in making additional income, buying quality products for your personal or business use, or building generational wealth, Atomy may be a substantial financial opportunity for you and your family. If you'd like more information about joining, write "join" in the comments. Remember, this opportunity allows you to build your international business for free. Where else gives you such a fantastic opportunity? Most substantial business opportunities require significant financial investment. You can join from many countries around the world. Use the comment section below to ask any questions you may have, or contact the person who sent you this video.